Guys, welcome back to the Fat World. Thank you for joining me again. Today, I'm going to cook my microwave. I'm going to be making my microwave dish again. So, right here's some half pound of rice. Yeah, half pound of rice. And I got, voila, a great spin of mackerel. This I want get up at me, cook, you know. Good get up at. Here one easy get up at. In a microwave, half stick of butter right here. So, 1 hot pepper, scotch bonnet, sweet pepper, check. Scallion and thyme, check. 1 little onion, check. And the tomato. I'm supposed to can find this garlic over this one. A little bit of oil and a little bit of salt. That's all we need for the pot. So today I'll be making some mackerel and rice. Yeah, mackerel and rice I'm doing that today. So guys, stick and stay with me while I cook me some. Yeah, these are some of our favorite while growing. Well, it is always my favorite. Mackerel and rice always are my favorite, and Tara always. Anytime I eat rice, yeah, mackerel go with rice for me, because I'm not really a rice person, but when I eat rice, I eat mackerel for sure. Or curry goat, but I prefer mackerel and rice. That are my favorite. So anyway guys, stick and stay with me while I make my mackerel and rice in the microwave. Guys, there you go. I have not really patience, and I mean somebody just pop that. Anyway, now so this the half pound of rice look enough. I'm gonna put half pound of rice because that I go swell and overflow the pot. And the pot that I may alone I cook. I may alone me cook for me. I think I need half pound of rice. So this is good. I'm going to be using this amount. This look like 1/4 pound of rice. Anyway, it will go swell and I will full the dish. So I use half of the half pound of rice. Yeah. So I'm going to go wash the rice and put it on with the butter and thing. So guys, I wash off 1 green pepper, put it in this piece of scallion and thyme. Drop it in that. And piece of butter. I'm going to use all of the butter because this is enough butter for putting a little bit of rice here. So I spoon my fine. Anyway, spoon my fine, spoon me I use. This is called survival. Yeah. So spoon my fine and spoon me I use. So see, I just use a piece of the butter. Put that back this. And I add the salt. I need to show that get 1 pan and show the salt here because it's the salt when I use. Down there. You probably need to get 1 pan and put it out instead of have it in my bag. But anyway, a little bit of salt. Stir up that around the stuff and yeah. So I will get this in the microwave now. I will put it on about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So this is it in the microwave. I'm not going to cover it as yet. When it's ready, when it boil up and ready for steam out, I'll put the cover on it. But for now, I'm going to just put it on 3 minutes. Alright, so that's alright, this one. 3 minutes. See it there guys, that go and bubble and I will cut up the season then in the meantime. So guys, meanwhile rice over this bubble and I prepare the seasoning, cut up the seasoning. Because I want quick pot in about 3 now, so I might go with it cooking it will take a little while. So I'm going to prepare the seasoning over here. So then mackerel, yeah. Yep. Who like the mackerel? Oh, me love I love tin mackerel, see? Oops. So, even when I yam time, you know the yam there? The soft yam. And if I yam time, yeah, then time I make it only for tin mackerel. Because the yam, it's nice with other things, you know. But the soft yam, I don't know what they call the yam, the soft renter. Nothing that a renter yam. Yam I then get up a bush. I don't know what it name. But the yam there. In time for the yam there, just know say never eat only for tin mackerel. So I use all of the sweet pepper here. Or bell pepper. Some people call it sweet pepper ice. So 3 minutes done on the microwave now. So I'm going to give one next 3 minutes, guys. Because I know so that not bring it no way. That probably does. Boil it up, eat it up little. So I have to give 3 more minutes. So that's it. Can boil. Because you know, say so we have to do. I don't want like put it on cook and make it cook one time. I give minute by minute. That way they make a monitor it. Alright, so we have the onion and the bell pepper right there. So tomato there, you know. And I must wonder every time I talk about the things them out there. I can't tell you this, the things them there, them very expensive. You know, nothing can do there for we eating about tomato right now. Me sell that look of tomato here for $100. I'm in a business where nobody wants to say $100. Because if you buy 1 pound of tomato for $500 or $600 now, I think it was $500. And you get 5 or 6 tomato. You not make no profit if you not sell it for $100. If you get 6, you only make $100. So that little tomato here are for $100 and don't come free. You have to buy it according to how you sell it. You have to sell it according to how you buy it. But what to me why I always talk back over the anyway, you have to use up the whole of the tomato because you can't make that go down that there bad. Alright, so see pepper here. I don't really like scallion, so say I have to put scallion in the mackerel, but I put one little piece of it in it. It's not my favorite. People like what them like, and nobody not come to me say, oh, scallion have to go in it, scallion have to go in it. So I find one garlic. And now one thing with me, I go put garlic in anything. And I use a bigger pig. Just one pig. And I'm going to use the bigger one. So I cut up the garlic. The garlic. Good mackerel rice.
Stacy and Marsh.
One thing about my sister, she I got call me. So guys, I wash off the mirror. Wash off the mirror and come back. So I'm gonna cut these. I must say, I survival. This is called. I don't have no more plate. I just have them two here. So I use one I have. So I put them here right to stuff by one paper towel. So I can have more space on the dish cover. Cut them. Wash off that. So I cut the onion first. I like onion because I want a little onion, so I'm going to use all of it. Then I cut the tomato, the deer tomato. I always have to talk about all the things them there, because the things them there. But you know, say we have to eat, so nothing can too dear for we fi. So we are gonna put in our stomach. Nothing can too expensive for us to consume. Yeah. The microwave stop. The microwave stop. So there you go. I'm going to check on it to see how far the rice reach. rice, I will be my dish towel. My paper towel, them have to be my dish towel as well. So, oh yeah, the rice. The rice there. Pull up the plates, but guess what? May I forgot put piece of plastic over this because I'm sure this not cook. I'm sure say this not cook. So may I put tip little bit of water in it and move. I don't know if I want to put no water in it still, you know. May I just get piece of plastic and put over it and make it warm. I'll put little water, no safe water in it. Hot enough. Yes, hot. Anyway, I'm going to put a little water in it. A little bit of water. And I like soft rice. My rice are for shade. Oh yeah, that all look like too much. So I'm going to get a bag. This I want 6 by 10 bag. I don't like flying now. This I want 6 by 10 bag. So I go get 1 6 by 10 bag, rinse, wet it a little bit and put it in there. Alright, so I damp this little to go by this one. Push it down, and I push down the plastic in at the side of the rice. It's steam, all of the steam stay in there, so it's steam fast. So I push down the plastic. So this is what it looks like now. Yeah. So it got all of the steam I got to stay in there, so it got to cook. Now next go me go, it got to cook. I'm gonna do that now. That's how it up, so you have to go, right? Alright, so sweet pepper. Garlic. Get chopped. Everything get chopped. Yes, so we have minced up the garlic. Everything I put garlic in now. Yeah, one girl asked me say everything I put garlic in, but garlic good for you. Garlic is antibiotic. Actually, eat garlic like most days. I take like a garlic and honey. Yeah, I eat garlic. I take a clove of garlic, not a full clove, like maybe a half clove of a garlic, and mince it up in a teaspoon. Put like a honey on it, and just drink it. Garlic good for your immune system. Everything me I cook, yes, me have to put garlic in it. Once me I cut up seasoning, garlic have to cut up in it. But me like when you cut up fine. Probably need one of them mince something, them garlic mince something. I just put the garlic in and press it. I just say everything just mince up. Yeah, I need one of those.
Let us know, please. I have garlic, so more eat the garlic.
So may I talk about the garlic? Yeah. 1 second, please. Alright, so I want a pepper right here, so I'll go on with the salt. I not put all of it. I don't know how the pepper stay. I'm afraid of pepper. I don't really like spicy food, so I just put one little piece of pepper and little scallion. I don't like scallion either. But scallion have to in the pot. All I see is them have to in the pot for me. If all of the season them not in there, come like say something missing out of the pot. So anyway, cut up one little piece of scallion right there so. And that's that. And that's it. So the microwave stop. So this is the seasoning. And my mackerel. Okay. So the microwave stop. So I'm going to check on the rice. Alright then. So voila. The rice cook. The rice cook. Smell the pepper? Yeah, the rice cook. Watch girl rice. Now look so shelly like the last time, but yeah, the rice cook. So now that the rice cook, you know, say, I'll take out the pepper. Take out them. So now that's the rice cook. You can't work with spoon in a fat, I need a fat I used to. Anyway, take out them let out it. I will eat rice this. Yes.
Right time me come.
Your partner done yet, Dolly?
I said come buy me cooking. I'm not going to buy me cook.
Alright, so the rice cook. Take out them here out it. Mackerel.
So oh, I plate. I look a plate.
Alright, so I have to use the paper towel for dry it out because I know so I can put it in the feet, eat up like how would I normally eat up there. So I go dry it, dry, throw in my oil and make the oil hot. I love for that. Dry it out. Remember what they said this work of the mackerel, I top the mackerel. So I dry it out. Dry. That dry enough, yeah. Put the oil in it, this one cover. You have to throw out that first. You use what you have. Always remember, use what you have. Don't put your hand in your hand, then I eat it. So now I get some oil, retain oil. Alright, so this is the oil. This I look too much when I put so much oil and I want to put in a mackerel. Anyway, so I'm going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. 3 minutes from the mic. By the time I done this, I pack a paper towel done. Anyway, I have to use it as me. So the oil a little bit hot, you know, hot to how I want it. I'm going to put the spoon. May I show you? I'm going to put the spoon. So I'm going to just put this in it. Remember, say I'm not stove me at it and say you're not going to hear that shh, there where everybody come over. So I'm put it in this and at it again. Make them go and cook. But them are fry. You know, so them, wait, them man, let me show you it a bubble up. A bubble. So I'm going to be putting this back for another 3 minutes. Then I'm take it out and throw in my tin. Boom. Yeah. Stir him up. Look. Hot. And again, I know that microwave is not good cooking for me, but I have to use what I have. A microwave I have today, so a microwave I use. So I put this back for 3 minutes, guys. Into the knife sharp, the knife cut up my finger. What's the knife cut up the whole of my finger? You know what kind of knife? This is a razor knife. I've cut up the whole of my finger just by cutting up the little season them with it. Okay. Smell that. I can smell that. I don't know who else can smell it, but you can smell the season them just. That sweet aroma is coming from my microwave. Yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. The season them soon come out. I'm gonna put. I just can't wait for diving in at this. Yeah, I can't wait for diving in at this. Think mackerel like this. So, the microwave is back. Whoa! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! So me I got to throw in my tin of mackerel. No! I'm going to be putting in my Brisbane mackerel over here. So one tin boom. But remember when we look at it, you know, we eat mackerel about 6 times out of 7 days a week. But now I got to tell you no lie. Me, now I got to tell you no lie. So that's why I love mackerel so. Some people, by eating things too much, they don't like it. But me don't know. That's what this me grow up on. And I use it thinner than this, thicker than this, because we could have throw a little water in it and shake it on some and throw it out in a pot. And make it gravy enough. Because enough of we know, so we have to make the gravy enough. Dolly, you don't have no fork? No, I don't have no fork. Anyway, I bubble this, stir this up. It hot, up hot, you know. Stir this up, and I sprinkle a black pepper. Because you know, so we can't forget black pepper. You just see like everything that come out. There, I know say everything never come out, man. Yeah. They know. You know, me get my money's worth. One pack of black pepper. I look at black pepper. I'm not putting on that. Sprinkle too much. Look at black pepper. Eat another stir. I'm not think I'm gonna put it on 3 minutes this time. I put it on 2 minutes. And then my mackerel and rice good to gizzle. 2 more minutes, peeps. 2 more minutes, then I'm ready for share.
Yeah, come Sean, you fool. Where you come from, man?
Come, I ketchup stomach. I know belly full of ketchup stomach.
In a little glass plate. That means
You really
it.
could eat all this picture, so.
You could eat so much.
You know me, I'm gonna box office and one more.
I say your bad daddy body.
And of course, the box office and one more. Alien man.
I want that thing I put in a people and plate. Share food in a people and plate. I want that you put in a people and plate.
You don't want no more than this.
You don't want no more, don't give no more.
We have a grotto bread, you know. When you say mackerel, you call me name.
Alright, so I will always name my mackerel.
You got to share to hell.
What daddy body getting more?
Love me now?
Right, that's all. You can't do it in a bigger plate like
Yeah,
that.
do it in a
I
bigger
think I go buy one
plate.
a good one with a big chicken in it. Yeah.
So a big plate, I have enough food, you know what? I can't cook enough. You know, oh, so much gravy in it. Well, Grace, do a good job with this mackerel. And then you look at the share of the whole I meat here. My mackerel.
Boy, I did the right time. You come to buy the food. Now we cook the food. Yes, alright.
You cook?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
You want more pepper?
And more left can get look more gravy. The stretch.
Sprinkle gravy upon the guest them food.
You know you feed so much gravy Alden.
Yeah, man.
And I'm not even enough rice.
That good, that good. I'll give you 2 slices of bread then.
2 slices of bread cook.
Yeah, and white bread.
The pepper.
Two instead of Miss Long, you say 2 slices of bread.
2 slices
Come
of
make me
bread.
taste all this taste.
It tastes good. The cooking a microwave.
People. Another microwave. Quickie. Never so quick a microwave, but they keep. Rice look a bit tough, man. Could have put the suffer. And one thing was I got that before.
But I make with cookie, where is there?
What by that one?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want a spoon?
You want a spoon? Jesus, please. Where you gonna put the bread pan?
Put it on the cover.
What you save a life?
Remember to fry your fries, so nobody make it stay this.
The man so to save a life. The mackerel and rice. The mackerel and rice. Why you not telling camera pan but then still you screw? Fix it, fix it.
People, watch out. Then give me food and then don't give me the rice.
Yeah, I'm off the rice already. So guys, Sheldon, they look at mackerel and rice. With top it off with a Carlsberg juice. It's a Kenzo favorite. This is my grandson's favorite. Kenzo love Carlsberg juice. Give him one Carlsberg juice and he keeps steady. Save your life?
What say? Thank you, Lord, and thank you, Sophie.
Well, at least the bed show you say food, if food can't eat. Then show us, why the plate? They have to give me back.
This one, they must sweet.
For them business, but me I forget back now.
When I'm mistaken to pay my bill, you see when I pay my bill, you see just like when they send the message there, and the message they give people in your post office. I'm sure them from my phone.
Anyway, peeps, thank you for sticking and staying with me. Everything Sheldon and seasonally. Season. And hi. Anna, my Carlsberg juice, Sheldon. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, turn on your post notification, and guys, please watch the ads. Please remember to watch the ads. Thank you again for making it go backward.